we're about to make some stewed chicken. Here I have my chicken cut in small pieces or medium-sized pieces, washed with vinegar as usual, and now I'm about to season my chicken. So first I'm going to go in with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Why is it hard to come out? Right. Then I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. I'm going to add some Maggi jerk as well. A little bit. Also some pimento seeds. I am going to add some soy sauce. Just a little bit. So with everything that we're using, we don't need to add any salt because most of these ingredients has a bit of salt in it. I'm now going to go in with some browning. I'm now going to give this a nice little mix. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. I mean, you don't have to, but so what I have here, I have some garlic and some tomatoes. I have some scotch bonnet pepper and some onions. Here I have my thyme leaves and I have some scallion. So normally I would season my chicken and have it marinate for a little bit, but tonight is season and cook. I'm going to get this in the pot right away. So I'm now going to go ahead and add some oil to my pot and allow that to heat up a little bit before adding my chicken. So now that I have my chicken in, I'm going to just cover this a little. So let's check on our chicken. See that, guys? The chicken produced its own water. So we don't really need to add any water to our stewed chicken at all. So I'm just going to turn these. I mean, if we were cooking in bulk, we definitely would not have the time to be turning from one side to the next. But seeing as we have the chance or opportunity to do that now, we're just going to do that to ensure that the chicken cooks evenly. And this way, it will definitely cook faster. Definitely. Look at that color. And I'm going to cover again. I need to cook some more before adding the rest of our seasoning. Looks good, right? So guys, let's now check on our chicken. I did not add any water to my pot, and look at that. So I'm now going to add the rest of my seasoning. Let me want to get everything in the pot. And we're now going to cover this again and have it cook some more. Ooh! Look at that, guys. The chicken made its own gravy. No ketchup, no water. So I'm now going to add my sweet peppers. This looks good. So in another 10 minutes, my chicken will be ready to eat. And guess who's excited about eating this chicken? Still did not add any water to my pot. And this is what we have here. So there you have it, guys. Jamaican style brown stew chicken done the right way. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do happen to try this recipe, don't forget to share your feedbacks with me. You can leave a comment below. You can find me on Instagram at Whitney's_kitchen_. Don't forget to tag us, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Whitney's Kitchen Jamaica.